Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on a Mac. There are two easy ways to do this. The first way I'm going to show you is free and it uses software that is already installed on your Mac computer. The second way is a paid option and it's a more deluxe version using a piece of software, which is what I'm using right now to record this video. So first of all, if you just want to record your screen for free, let's say you were doing some kind of recording of a video game that you were playing on the Mac, or you wanted to make a little tutorial, all you need to do is use the QuickTime software that's already on the Mac. If you go to your Launchpad, or if you type in the search QuickTime, it's this little Q right here. Now it usually pops up with this little screen asking you to open something, but what I normally do is go cancel, and then I go up to the menu and I select File, and you've got three options: New Movie Recording, New Audio Recording, and New Screen Recording. Now what we're going to do is click New Screen Recording, and what you can do is adjust the bounds of this box. So if I wanted to just record what was in this web browser, I could adjust that. And you'll notice down the bottom, we've got some options. So this is very important. If you just want to record your screen, you can go ahead and click record. But if you want to record your screen and your voice from your computer microphone or a microphone that you've got plugged into your computer, you have to go to options. So this will actually say, where do you want to save this to? I'm just going to leave that on QuickTime Player, and I'll show you how that works after we've made the quick screen recording. You can have a timer, so for 5 or 10 seconds that'll lead in, so it will give you a moment before you start recording. Now, if I select microphone, the microphone that I'm currently using is this SSL2. That's my audio interface that this microphone's plugged into. But if you've got like a webcam, like I have, you could use the microphone from the webcam. That's my Logitech Brio. Or you could select the display audio, which would be the microphone in your computer monitor. So because I'm already using screen software, if I start recording right now, it's going to cut my recording off. So I'm going to pause my recording, make a quick recording in QuickTime, and then show you how you can save that file and use it in a movie editor. Now I've made my short screen recording, and one thing I should add is while you're making your screen recording, some people get confused how to stop the screen recording. So to stop it, all you need to do is go up to your top menu and there'll be a little stop icon, a little circle up in this bar. Click that to stop the recording. And what you'll get is a screen here with the movie recording on it. So I'll get rid of what's in the background there. Now this is the movie, so I'll play this and show you what it looks like. QuickTime free screen recording software on the Mac. So you can see that it has automatically saved that file onto my desktop. But if I want to save it somewhere else, I can just go up here and go File, Save, and then I can give it a name and a location to save that file. I'm going to close this because it's automatically saved it to my desktop. Now, if you wanted to edit the screen recording that you've made, I would suggest using some free video editing software like iMovie, which comes for free on the Mac. If you don't have iMovie pre-installed on your Mac, you can simply get it for free from the App Store. The other free movie editor that I like to use is this one called CapCut. It's a really easy free piece of video editing software, and I can just grab that file and pop it in there and start editing it down here in this video editing software. So that is the first way that you can record your screen on a Mac, and then how you can edit it into a file that's ready to upload. Now that way of recording your screen for free on the Mac is the bare bones way of doing it, because you only have the option of having your microphone and the screen recording. If you want to do something a little bit more sophisticated, like have your video in there as well, and have the ability to do all sorts of editing and enhancements on the voice, you will need a more sophisticated piece of screen recording software. The one I use is called Camtasia, and it's very simple. I've got the website open here. I can't really show you how Camtasia works because I'm using it currently to record my screen. But basically, using the software, you can record your screen, your camera, your microphone, and even the system audio. So if you were playing a video game or something like that, you could actually record the audio coming out of that game. The thing I like about Camtasia is it comes with its own editing suite, so you can edit it afterwards. As you can see here, into a YouTube video, into a TikTok video with your face. It's a very powerful piece of software. I use it all the time to make my YouTube videos where I'm doing tutorials such as this. If you want to test out Camtasia for free, I will leave a link in the description of this video and you can check that out. Camtasia will give you a 7-day free trial, and the great thing is with the Camtasia software is you can use it on Mac, but you can also use it on PC. So if you are switching between Mac and PC, you can open up your Camtasia files on both devices. So that's it. I hope you found this content valuable. If you did, make sure you do subscribe to the YouTube channel for future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.